In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade gold on Plus500, an intuitive and user-friendly trading platform. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this guide will provide you with all the information needed to confidently execute your gold trades. To begin, you'll need to log into the Plus500 platform. Open your preferred web browser and go to app+500.com. If you haven't created an account yet, be sure to do so by following the platform's simple sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard where you can see various assets available for trading. Next, let's find gold within the platform, which will be our primary focus today. On the left panel of the screen, you'll see a list labeled Commodities. Click on this section, and a range of options will be displayed. Among these, look for gold, which might be listed as Gold xauusd, and select it. This will take you to the trading interface specifically for gold. Now, you'll want to open a trade window. The key here is deciding whether you believe the price of gold is going to rise or fall. If your analysis or instincts suggest a price increase, go ahead and click on the Buy option. Alternatively, if you predict a price drop, select Sell. This decision sets the foundation for your trading strategy, so take a moment to consider market trends and other impacting factors. Having chosen your stance on the market direction, it's time to enter the details of your trade. You'll start with the amount. This refers to the value you wish to invest in the position. Following that, decide on your stop-loss level. This feature automatically closes your position if the price falls to a predetermined level, acting as a safeguard against significant losses. Similarly, set a take-profit level, where your position will close automatically once your target profit is achieved. Additionally, you have the option to adjust leverage, which can increase your market exposure, but also introduces more risk. Be cautious and sure of your decision when opting for leverage. After finalizing all your trade details, it's time to place the trade. By clicking Open Position, you confirm and activate your trade. Congratulations! Your gold trade is now live on the market. Once your trade is active, monitoring its progress is crucial. Navigate to the Open Positions section on the platform. Here, you can track your profit and loss in real time and adjust the stop loss or take profit settings if necessary to better align with any market changes or new insights you gain. Eventually, you'll reach a point where you decide to close your position. To do this, select the position you're focused on, then click Close Position. By doing so, your profit or loss will reflect in your account balance, successfully concluding your trade journey. And there you have it, a complete run-through of trading gold on Plus500. Thank you for joining us today, and happy trading.